welcome to Opinion Piece of Beyond the Brief. I am Mahanam Khan, Assistant Manager, Corporate Communication and Marketing at Confiz. Today, we're exploring a topic that sits at the center of every forward-thinking enterprise conversation: how data products are becoming AI products, and what this means for data and technology leaders. For years, organizations have invested heavily in modern data stacks, cloud platforms, and analytics programs. Yet, a familiar frustration continues to surface in boardrooms around the world. We have a lot of data, but where is the business value? To unpack this challenge, we are joined by Umer Qadir, Director of Client Data Solutions and Global SME at Confiz, who will share his perspective on what truly needs to evolve. Umer, in your view, what must change for organizations to finally translate data into measurable, meaningful business outcomes?
The answer is becoming clearer. Traditional data products and pipelines were never built for the expectations of the AI era. As enterprises accelerate their data and AI initiatives, leaders are no longer asking for dashboards or descriptive reporting. They want intelligence, systems that recommend, automate, predict, and act. This is why the most significant shift underway isn't technological, it's organizational. Data products are becoming AI products. And this evolution requires a fundamentally different way for data teams to think, operate, and deliver impact.
Thank you for sharing that, Umer. How do you describe the shift from traditional data products to modern AI products?
Well, that's an interesting one. So, traditional data products were designed to answer familiar analytical questions like what happened, why did it happen, where are the gaps? But modern AI products don't just describe reality, they shape it. An AI product predicts churn, recommends actions, automates document-heavy workflows. It detects anomalies, personalizes customer experiences, summarizes knowledge, and accelerates decisions. And it also learns and adapts continuously. So this is the point where AI products kind of transform from a static asset into a living, evolving capability. And as businesses' expectations grow, every high-value data product eventually evolves into an AI product. Traditional demand forecasting is transforming into autonomous planning. Customer segmentation is real-time next best action. Document extraction is getting into end-to-end processing. BI dashboards are converting into intelligent co-pilots. This evolution is at the core of today's enterprise AI agenda, and it is fundamentally redefining the skills, roles, and operating models required inside data teams.
That's very insightful. But how do we close this gap between data and AI products? Why do AI initiatives struggle to deliver business value?
The problem isn't the availability of AI technology, but it's the disconnect between AI development and the realities of the business. Across industries, the same patterns continue to appear. AI models are often built in isolation, far removed from real ground operation processes. Proofs of concept stall before reaching production. Technical outputs are created without clear business value, and that weakens adoption after launch, and teams remain siloed with no shared ownership of outcomes. In other words, AI fails not because of algorithms, it fails because teams are too far away from the business problem. This is exactly why we need a new AI delivery model, the forward-deployed AI team.
Thanks for sharing that. And how is the forward-deployed model reshaping modern AI and data teams?
A forward-deployed AI team will bridge the gap between AI capability and business impact. The team would have forward-deployed engineers, part engineer, part consultant, part product thinker, directly embedded with the customer. They work side by side with business users, they frame problems in business language, prototype quickly, and integrate solutions into real workflows. This proximity allows them to validate value early, drive adoption, and close the gap from POC to production. This is how modern AI product development succeeds, not by writing more code, but by being closer to the problem, the context, and people. As AI automates more technical complexity, the differentiators shift towards business understanding, domain expertise, product thinking, and human-centered design. This is the next generation of modern data teams.
That's very interesting. Can you walk us through how the forward deployed AI model actually works from start to finish?
So the forward deployed model delivers AI through a structured continuous process, which is designed to validate value early and embed solutions directly into business operations. In practice, the model follows 5 stages. The first stage is where you discover. You map the business landscape through workshops, process exploration, and clear problem framing to ensure the team is solving the right challenge. In the next step, you work on design, which means translating insights into rapid prototypes, visualizing the solution, and validating any assumptions early with the actual users. Number 3, you work towards deploying a solution where you build, integrate, and operationalize the AI within real workflows, not as standalone outputs, but as part of everyday processes. Number 4 is a process where you work towards adoption. So you drive training, change management, and enablement of users to ensure that the solution is embraced and is used consistently. Finally, there's a step to evolve, which means establishing a continuous feedback loop for retraining, refinement, and scaling up as business needs and data evolves. This structured loop enables data products to mature into AI products, delivering solutions that are adopted, iterated, and tied directly to measurable business outcomes.
That all sounds very fascinating as a theory. But to make this more concrete, can you share a real-world example of how this forward-deployed model actually delivers value on the ground?
So a recent engagement with an asset management organization demonstrates clearly how the forward-deployed AI team improves delivery. Instead of relying solely on documented requirements, our engineers worked directly inside the business environment, observing real workflows, decision paths, and operational constraints. This on-ground immersion surfaced insights that traditional delivery models typically overlook. These include looking at real business documents, finding out inconsistencies within the process, discovering unstated pain points that the business might not have language for, and any decision logic that might have been hidden in back and forth emails. So with a clearer understanding of the business context, the team was able to shape an AI solution that aligned closely with how work actually happened, not how it was assumed to happen. So this approach resulted in higher adoption. It improved trust. We were able to deliver quickly, and there was real good appreciation of the team as a partner. And this isn't an isolated case. We see the same pattern emerge long before a solution is built, especially during our AI discovery workshops.
So in your multiple AI discovery workshops and based on your expertise as a director of client data solutions, what key patterns or lessons have stood out for you for data and technology leaders?
Two multiple AI discovery workshops with customers based on our Confiz Launchpad methodology. One pattern consistently emerges. Organizations aren't looking for more technology. They're looking for a partner who can help them think through where AI creates value. In nearly every session, leaders express the same needs: a clearer understanding of where AI fits, a partner who understands their process, and a co-creation approach that stays involved until value is realized. These workshops reinforce a simple truth: AI succeeds in the early stages before any model is built. Real impact comes from combining business problem solving, domain insight, user journey exploration, rapid prototyping, feasibility assessments, and a clear definition of ROI. This mindset is exactly what the modern data team and the forward-deployed engineer model is built for.
Given these insights from AI discovery workshops, what does this imply for the skills and capabilities that modern data and AI teams need to succeed?
As organizations advance their data and AI agendas, the expectations from data teams are shifting. Technical skills alone are no longer enough. What matters now is the ability to link AI to real business needs. Modern teams need a mix of business understanding, data product thinking, user-centric design, and the capability to operationalize and support AI in real workflows. The ability to run discovery sessions, interpret domain logic, prototype quickly, and guide adoption is becoming just as important as building models. So the message is clear: companies don't just want technologists, they want problem solvers. people who understand how their business works. Because data products, AI models, and dashboards only create value when the people behind them are close to the business, move ideas into production, and ensure solutions are adopted and evolved. This is the direction data and AI teams are heading: forward deployed, business led, and outcome driven. And the organizations that excel will be the ones that embed intelligence into how work truly gets done.
Thanks for sharing that. With these evolving skill sets and the forward deployed approach, how can organizations turn AI delivery into a strategic capability?
As data products evolve into AI products, the real differentiator for enterprises is no longer tooling, but the model through which AI is delivered. Organizations that embrace forward-deployed, business-led approaches will move beyond experimentation towards AI solutions that are adopted, trusted, and tied directly to measurable outcomes. At Confiz, we partner with business and technology leaders to strengthen their AI delivery model, helping teams operationalize enterprise AI, accelerate data platform modernization, and build solutions that reflect real processes and deliver real impact.
Thank you, Umer, for sharing your time and such valuable insights and expertise on how organizations can operationalize AI and deliver real business impact. For our viewers, if you're ready to rethink how your organization turns data into intelligence, reach out and connect with us to explore the possibilities. That wraps up this session of Beyond the Brief. Goodbye and thank you for joining us.